Hi, it's Vanessa again, and welcome back to some of my videos where we discuss questions that you may be thinking of. Today I'm going to show you how to line a wooden box. Now this could be a drawer, or in this case it's a wine box. I am using baking paper. In Australia we call it baking paper because freezer paper, which I know Americans use a lot, it's not readily available in Australia. Just be sure not to get greaseproof paper, which is waxed on one side and really thin. It doesn't hold the soap well. Okay, so let's get started. I've pulled out a length of baking paper. You put it in and crease it in here, and enough so that there is overhang over the box. So I'm just going to use some tape to tape it down, just hold it in place. And then the other side, I just crease it, push it over, do the same thing, some tape. Okay, so that does those sides. So now we've got to do the other sides. Now, because this box is wider than the width of the paper, I would do two pieces. So what I've done is I've ripped one length, two lengths, and I've taped it on the back. I had to use a heavier duty tape than the little one. And then what you do is you fold the creases to this internal width here. The creases like that. All right, so the first crease was along here, and then we tuck it in here. So you kind of have this going on. Then again we press it into the corners because we want a nice neat corner. Just grab some scissors and cut down to here. Okay, we'll tape down this bit. So we are going to put some tape here and tape here. So we've got these funny flappy bits in here. You cut that off, that's less paper. I think I've chosen the worst scissors. All right. Now I did say that this is kind of rough and ready. I used to measure everything super precise, but it's just lining the soap container, so it doesn't really need to be picture perfect. So now we'll fold those flaps, fairly neat corners. And we're going to tape that down too. Now you might need stronger tape, but I'm just showing you how to do it, and then we'll fix it up later. So that's one side, and then with the other side we do the same. So I'll face it to you like that. And then we just sort of gather it up and tuck those bits in. And up the edges, like that. And we tape those because we don't want them flapping up and in the way when we're pouring our soap. So now you know how to line any box to make a soap mould. Thanks for watching. Bye.